is YouTube search bar not working? So if your YouTube search bar is not working, then the foremost reason could be that YouTube is actually down for everyone, and you can just simply check it out by searching it on your Google. So you can open up your Google. You can simply go with the down detector, and here you need to go and see if YouTube is down or not. So you just need simply search for YouTube, and it will give you the information that if the server is down or not. If you click on YouTube, you'll be able to see different reports by people who have been reporting that YouTube is down for them, or you can just simply go on to the Twitter or any other social media, and you would be able to find that it is down for everyone else. So it's just not you. And even if it's you, then you just need to simply update your Chrome browser or the browser that you're using. Like you'll be able to see something like relaunch to update. Just simply click on it and you'll be able to update your browser. Or you can just simply go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and then go with your settings. Under your settings here, you'll have about Chrome. And once you click on about Chrome, it says my Chrome is up to date. But if you have any updates, it will update your Google Chrome or your browser. Or you can also clear the cache memory. Just simply go with privacy and security, and then you need to go with delete browsing data. And from here, you can select last 7 days or all time, and I'll just simply go with last hour and then go with delete data, and I'll just delete the data. And this might fix your problem. Or you can just simply remove the browser and then again open it up, or just refresh and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.